Hello and welcome back to And Let Me Check It Out. Our product for this week is the Sassy Chick blender, and I have a special guest. Take it away, baby girl.
Hello, for today's product, I'm going to be opening this beauty blender. So I love the pink colors. It just brings the consumer's attention to want to buy the products, and obviously I bought it. So it seems to be working for little children as well. Here I am opening the product. It was a little hard to get out, but eventually it came out. I love how it's soft, squishy, and overall, it feels amazing to touch. While I was walking to the store, this amazing colored pink beauty blender caught my eye. I was like, hey Dad, I gotta check this out. I'm going to be blending it into my hand just to see how well it really works, and it seems to be working really good. The value is also very affordable for someone who's looking for a beauty blender that is affordable, durable, and long-lasting. There's hardly any concealer on the beauty blender itself, so you can see that it works really well and absorbing.
Put your makeup on, get your nails done, curl your hair, run the extra mile, keep it slim so they like you.
I'm now going to be trying it on my face just to see how really well it does work, because sometimes it doesn't work the same as it does on your hand or any other part. It blends in very well. You can hardly see that there was concealer there. My skin is very light, and this is perfect for if you have sensitive skin. Overall, the Sassy Chic blender is very soft and expands when run under warm water. It makes my foundation and concealer blend in very well. It is durable for continued use and is a great price, especially Dad price. And if you have any other products you want me and my dad to check out, hit me up and let me check it out, gmail.com, and let me check it out.